You're watching how Leap lets stop calls from ringing on your other Apple devices. This setting is controlled from your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Cellular, then tap Cellular calls on other devices. You will see a list of your devices, like your iPad or Mac, that are signed into the same Apple ID. To stop calls on a specific device, find it in the list and tap the toggle switch to turn it off. It will turn from green to white. To stop calls on all other devices at once, at the top of this screen, turn off the main switch for allow calls on other devices. Confirm if prompted. Now, phone calls will only ring on your iPhone. Remember, this does not affect FaceTime calls, which are managed separately in the FaceTime settings on each device. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.